Hello guys, welcome to Gear Up GK. So today in the very first video of my YouTube channel, we are going to discuss 30 interesting general knowledge questions about India. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? The answer to this question is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Deputy Prime Minister was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was also the Home Minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet. He occupied the post for 3 years until his death in 1950. The post was vacant until Morarji Desai became the second Deputy Prime Minister in 1967. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? The answer to this question is 448. The original text of the Constitution contained 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. It came into effect on January 26, 1950, the day that India celebrates each year as the Republic Day. The number of articles has since increased to 448 due to 100 amendments. Which is the earliest city ever discovered in India? The answer to this question is Harappa. The earliest city to be developed in India was Harappa in Punjab, in present-day Pakistan. Who composed the Gayatri Mantra? The answer to this question is Vishwamitra. Maharishi Vishwamitra had created the Gayatri Mantra. The Gayatri Mantra is cited widely in Vedic and post-Vedic texts such as the mantra listings of the Srauta liturgy and classical Hindu texts such as Bhagavad Gita, Harivamsa and Manusmriti. What is the ancient name of North Bihar? The answer to this question is Vaji. Who was the first Indian to go into space? The answer to this question is Rakesh Sharma. The first Indian to enter space was Rakesh Sharma when he flew aboard the Soviet rocket Soyuz T-11 in 1984. Which is the longest dam in India? The answer is Hirakud Dam. Hirakud is the longest earthen dam in the world, which stands across the mighty river Mahanadi in the Sambalpur region of Odisha. It was the first major multi-purpose river valley project after India's independence in the year 1947. The Dilwara temple is located at? Answer: Mount Abu. The Dilwara temple or Dilwara temples are a group of Svetambara Jain temples located about 2.5 kilometers from the Mount Abu settlement, Rajasthan's only hill station. The largest and the oldest museum of India is located in the state of? The answer to this question is West Bengal. The Indian Museum in Kolkata, West Bengal, also referred to as the Imperial Museum of Calcutta, is the 9th oldest museum in the world, the oldest museum in India and the largest museum in India. The museum has rare collections of antiques, armors, ornaments, fossils, skeletons, mummies and Mughal paintings. It was founded by the Asiatic Society of Bengal in Kolkata in the year 1814. English is the official language of which state in India? Answer: Nagaland. English is also the official language of states such as Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Sikkim. When was Jana Gana Mana, which later became the national anthem of India, first sung and where? Answer: 27 December 1911 in Calcutta. Jana Gana Mana was sung for the first time in a public function of the Indian National Congress on December 27, 1911 in Calcutta. What is the scientific name of peacock, which is the national bird of India? Answer: Pavo cristatus. What is the scientific name of banyan tree, which is the national tree of India? The answer to this question is Ficus bengalensis. What is the scientific name of mango, which is the national fruit of India? Answer: Manigifera indica. Which state in India is estimated to have largest coal reserves in India? Answer of this question is Jharkhand. Jharia coalfield represents the largest coal reserves in India, having estimated reserves of 19.4 billion tons of coking coal. Where is the Forest Reserve Institute of India located? Answer: Dehradun. The institute is based in Dehradun, India. It is located in Chandrabani, which is close to the southern forests of Dehradun. Which is the biggest enterprise of the Government of India? The answer is the railways. The railways were initially introduced in the year 1853. Now, apart from the railways, there are some of the other chief enterprises of the Government of India, such as the postal and telegraph, banking and shipping. Which industry is also called as the sunrise industry? The answer to this question is information technology. A sunrise industry is basically the one that is new or relatively new, which is growing fast and is expected to become important in the future. Examples of sunrise industries include hydrogen fuel production, petrochemical industry, food processing industry, space tourism and online encyclopedias. Now, which is the oldest oil refinery in India? The answer to this question is Digboi Refinery. Digboi Refinery, commissioned on 11 December 1901, is India's oldest operating oil refinery and one of the oldest operating oil refineries in the world. In India, the highest rate of slum population is in the state of? The answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the highest rate of slum population, followed by Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Which is the highest body which approves the 5-year plans in India? The answer is National Development Council. The McMahon Line lies between which countries? The answer of this question is India and China. The McMahon Line is the effective boundary line between India and China. However, China does not recognize this line, which is mainly the reason behind the border dispute of India and China. Who determines the salaries of the Supreme Court judges? The answer of this question is the Parliament. The Parliament also has the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court. Bagh, a village in Gwalior, is famous for its? The answer of this question is cave paintings. The Bagh Caves are a group of 9 rock-cut monuments situated among the southern slopes of the Vindhyas in Bagh town of Dhar district in the Madhya Pradesh state of central India. Which city is known as the Electronic State of India? The answer is Bangalore. Bangalore is called the electronic capital of India because it plays a maximum role as the nation's leading information technology exporter. Where is the ONGC headquarters situated? That is the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. The answer is New Delhi. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (ONGC) is an Indian multinational oil and gas company earlier headquartered in Dehradun. As a corporation, its registered office is now at New Delhi. Where is the National Police Academy situated? The answer is Hyderabad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy (SVPNPA) is the premier civil service training institution in India. The institution trains Indian Police Service IPS officers before they are sent to their respective state cadres to carry out their duties. The Vijay Stambh is situated in? The answer is Chittor. The Vijay Stambh is an imposing victory monument located within Chittor Fort in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. The tower was constructed by the Mewar king Rana Kumbh in the year 1448 to commemorate his victory over the combined armies of Malwa and Gujarat led by Mehmud Khilji. The tower is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Badrinath is situated on the bank of which river? Answer: Alaknanda. The Badrinath temple is located along the twin mountain ranges of Nar and Narayan on the left bank of Alaknanda river. The Sun temple is situated at? The answer is Konark. Konark Sun Temple, Konark Surya Mandir, is a 13th century sun temple at Konark, about 35 km northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India. The temple is attributed to King Narsimha Deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. So with this, we are done with the 30 questions. Hope you all liked the video. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up GK for more such videos. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.